How many pieces of pipe 3/5 of a foot long can be cut from a pipe that is 25 feet long? If we find this type of problem challenging to solve, sometimes it's a good idea to solve a simpler problem to devise a strategy. For example, if the pipe was 10 feet long, and we wanted to cut this pipe into 2-foot sections, how many sections or how many pieces would we have? Well, if we have 10 feet and we cut it into sections of 2 feet, it's much easier to see there would be a total of 5 pieces, each 2 feet long. But if we think how we could solve this mathematically to apply to the given problem, we would have 10 feet divided by 2 feet is equal to 5. So it's actually a division problem. We take the total length and divide it by the length of the smaller sections. So let's go ahead and do that to the given problem. We want to know how many 3/5 of a foot sections there are in 25 feet. So we're going to take 25 feet and divide it by 3/5 of a foot. And now there's a couple of things we need to do before we can solve this. Let's make 25 into a fraction, and then we normally write division problems involving fractions as multiplication problems. So instead of dividing by 3/5, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal or multiply by 5/3. So this is equivalent to 25 over 1 times 5 over 3, or 5/3. So we have 25 times 5, that's 125. Our denominator is 1 times 3, which is equal to 3. Now we need to figure out how many pieces this represents. A fraction bar represents division, so now we'll take 125 and divide by 3. So there are 4 3's in 12. 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract, bring down the 5, and there's 1 3 in 5. We have a remainder of 2. So 125 divided by 3 is equal to 41 with a remainder of 2, or 41 2/3. So 125 thirds is equivalent to 41 2/3. But this problem asks for the number of pieces that we can get from this 25-foot pipe. So we can't count this fraction of a piece. So for this problem, our answer will be 41 pieces of pipe.